Hi there, I'm Jonathan. Today, let's take just a minute to walk you through, step by step, how to do a battery replacement or reset on your Sennheiser Office Runner headset. So grab your headset and let's get started. The first thing that we're going to want to do is remove any ear loop or headband that you have attached, so we strip it down to just the microphone piece. Now once you have just the microphone, position it so that the point of the microphone is facing down toward the ground and the speaker that you listen out of is pointed toward you, kind of like you're holding an ice cream cone. Now at this point, what you're going to want to do is put your finger or your thumb right here, and we're going to trace with your thumbnail up from that dull plastic to where that shiny plastic meets. Get your fingernail into that little groove there. We'll see that groove right here, up at the top. And then we're going to push up to separate that. Once it's separated, you can grab hold, pull back on the battery door to expose the battery. You'll see that the battery is connected by 3 wires to a little white plug. What we can do now is grab it by the wires, gently pull out to remove that white plug. Now if you're doing a reset, at this point we're just going to leave your battery out for about 30 seconds before putting it back in. Otherwise, grab your brand new battery. Now when we go to replace this, you'll want to make sure that you line this white plug right back up with its receptacle, put your fingers behind it, and then push gently to slide that back into its receptacle right there. Set the battery back in place. And now take the bottom portion of the battery door, get it into position, line it up at the top, and now we push back down here and snap that back into place. Voila, the battery's back in. Take your headset, leave it out of its headband, and place it on the charger with the microphone pointing toward the ceiling. You'll want to let it charge for 1 hour at this point before its next use. And that's all there is to it. Once that headset is charged for an hour, you will be good to go for the rest of your day. And if you have any other questions or you need any other help at all, always feel free to give us a call at 1-800-HEADSETS, where any one of our headset advisors would be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and bye for now, guys. Have a good one.